Hi, this is Guzal. I'm from Tajikistan, and I hope I will finish editing and I will add this part of the video in my movie and you will watch it. Ta-da!
You don't know nothing of real life and the real problems.
You can't trust your feelings. I know what's better for you. You're too naive and stupid.
You think too much.
I think you are too kind.
People are such liars. Don't trust them. They're playing with you.
You're just protecting and justifying him.
She just used you.
You don't deserve to be
You
loved.
think too much. You know nothing about life.
This kind of girls like you don't deserve to be loved. You are so stupid.
I'm so stupid, so naive. So many voices. Where are they from? Why? Why there's so many voices?
Wait. Why does my voice sound so different? Hey. Shut up! Shh! Hey! Shh! Shut up! Shut up! Hey! Hey! Shut up! Shut the fuck up!
Hey! What? Are you serious? What?
Are you nuts?
What are you? Hey! Listen! Are you talking to me?
Who are you?
What do you mean, who am I? I'm the only person here talking to myself and now you're yelling at me because I'm a little bit quiet?
I'm not lying at you. I'm not yelling at you.
Yes, you are. You're literally projecting to God knows where.
God, you just passed by. Can you just walk? Are you the center of the universe?
You seriously accusing me of something like that right now when you're yelling and there's no one here?
Just leave me alone.
Oh my...
I'm dealing with my stuff here.
Yeah,
okay?
and I was dealing with my own thing too until you came and insulted me that way.
I wasn't talking to you.
Then, who are you talking to? All I could hear is just random voices.
Listen, I'm just trying to talk to myself. Okay? Just leave me alone.
Wait, I'm a little bit confused. Are you talking to me or are you talking to you?
I'm talking to me.
Oh shit, okay, I'm sorry. Fuck. Okay, I'm really sorry. I didn't mean to act that way. I thought you were yelling at me. Kinda got in my own head there. And you kind of took me out of it.
You hear voice too?
No, but still dealing with people who wronged me. But you're hearing actual voices?
Yeah. So many voices.
I think I understand a little bit more now. So what are these voices telling you?
They say many things. They say how I should feel, what I should say, what I should do. That I'm not powerful, that I'm stupid. And they're so loud sometimes that I really can't focus. I really can't make them stop.
No, I get it. I think I understand. I think I even have a solution for you.
Really?
Heck yeah. No, I'm just joking. I know nothing. Can't even solve my own problems. I mean, there is a way to find your own voice, I think. It's like easier said than done, but it's in everyone.
Yeah, but how can I recognize my voice?
Well, do you ever feel like you can hear your heart speaking? I know it sounds corny, but is there a voice in you like that?
Maybe.
When is it speaking? Do you know?
When I don't hear the rest.
So it's a form of silence.
So what is an angry man doing here?
Is that what I am, an angry man?
Seems so.
Yeah, I guess I am a bit angry. I don't know, I thought I would be the only person expressing myself here. But yeah, I guess I'm holding it in. A lot of deep anger.
Then you should yell.
What, like you?
No, bigger.
Bigger?
Yeah.
Ah!
Bigger.
Ah!
Bigger, man.
No, I don't know if I can do anything like that. Like, the world! Why? What is going on right now? Something like that?
Yeah. Really good.
Yeah, I don't know. Well, why don't we go yell at over a coffee or something?
No, why not?
I know a really quiet spot.
Quiet.
Yeah.
But then I would hear my voices.
Tell you, if your voices get too loud, I'm just gonna yell back at them.
Thank you.
Yeah, you know, like,
Shut up! Are you crazy? Hey!
like that.
What the fuck you just say?